Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of friends are good. So today's lesson is about differential calculus. So today we will look at finding derivatives using first principle method. So first we will define formula for the first principle method, which is A belongs to df. That is, A is any point of domain of f. Now f dash of A, that is f prime of A, is the derivative of f of x at point A equal to limit x approaches to A, f of x minus f of A divided by x minus A. So this is the first formula which we are going to use, and it has another representation which is f prime of x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 and f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So these are the two versions of the first principle method which we will use in this lesson. So you can use any one of them, depends on you and depends on the question. Now start with question number one, part number one, which is f of x is equal to x squared, and here domain of f is the real number. So first we will take any point A. Let A belongs to domain of f. Then f prime of A equal to x equal to limit x approaches to A, f of x minus f of A divided by x minus A. So this is the formula. Now f prime of A is equal to limit x approaches to A. So f of x, what is f of x? So f of x is equal to x squared. And what is f of A? So f of A is the value of the function at point x equal to A. So we just put A in the given function. So we have f of A equal to A squared. So this is equal to A squared divided by x minus A. So now if we apply limit, then we have 0, 0.0, which is indeterminate. So we have to factorize it. And if you factorize, if you look at this question, this is a squared minus b squared. So this is x minus a and x plus a divided by x minus a. So if I cancel out x minus a by x minus a, then we have limit x approaches to a, x plus a. So if we apply limit, then we will have a plus a, which is equal to 2a. So now we want to find derivative at any point x. So just replace a by x. So what is the derivative? So you have f prime of x is equal to 2x for all x belongs to domain of. So this is the required answer. So now let's move on to the next question, which we are going to solve. Hope you understand this question. So the next question which we are going to solve today is question number one, part number two, which is f of x is equal to 1 upon x, and domain of f is real number except 0. So what we have to do first, we first take any point A belongs to domain of f, and we will write here formula for the derivative using first principle method. F prime of A is equal to limit x approaches to A. So f of x minus f of A divided by x minus a is the formula which we have already used in the last question. So what is f prime of a? F prime of a is equal to limit x approaches to a. So what is f of x? F of x is 1 upon x minus f of a. Basically, f of a is the value of the function at point A. So this is 1 upon a divided by x minus a. Now what we have to do here, we will take up LCM in the numerator. So this is equal to limit x approaches to a. This is a minus x divided by ax upon x minus a. So if you take minus sign common from this numerator, we will have minus limit x approaches to a, x minus a divided by x a multiplied by x minus a. So this x minus a is cancelled out by this x minus a. So we have limit x approaches to a 1 upon x a, and here is minus sign. So minus limit x approaches to a 1 upon x a is equal to minus 1 upon a squared. So we have, if we apply a limit here, then we will have a multiplied by a, which is equal to a squared. So we have derivative f prime of a equal to minus 1 upon a squared. So this is the required answer, but we will have to define this derivative for all x. So for all x, we have f dash of x or f prime of x is equal to minus 1 upon x squared. So this is the answer. So the next question which we are going to solve is question number 1, part number 3. I think it is part number 3. So what is the question? F of x is equal to square root of x. And here we have domain of f is equal to positive real numbers. So let us take any point A. Belongs to domain of f. And we will write formula here. F prime of a is equal to limit x approaches to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. So we just put values here. Limit x approaches to a, which is square root of x. F of x is equal to square root of x minus f of a is the value of the function, that is square root of a divided by x minus a. So what we have to do, if we apply a limit here, then we will have 0 from 0, which is indeterminate. So we have to remove this form. So for this, just multiply and divide by square root of x plus square root of a. So square root of x plus square root of a divided by x minus a multiplied by square root of x plus square root of a. So here we have a minus b and a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So limit x approaches to a, which is square root of x, square root of x, and similarly square root of a square, which is a square minus b square, divided by x minus a, and square root of x plus square root of a. So limit x approaches to a, this is square is cancelled by square root, so we have x minus a in the numerator, x minus a divided by x minus a. So we have square root of x plus square root of a. So this x minus a is cancelled out by this x minus a. So we have limit x approaches to a, 1 upon square root of x plus square root of a. So if we apply limit here, then we have 1 upon square root of a plus 1 upon square root of a. So the next page is here. So what we have to do, applying limit, I'm writing it again here. So x approaches to a, 1 upon square root of x, square root of a. So if we apply limit here, then we have 1 upon square root of a plus square root of a, which is equal to 1 upon 2 square root of a. So this is the derivative of the function, given function at point A. So for generalization, f prime of x is equal to 1 upon 2 square root of x for all x belongs to domain of f. So this is the required answer. So hope you understand this question. So next move on to the next question, which we have f of x is equal to 3x cubed minus x. So this is the last question which we will solve here today. So first take A any point belongs to the domain of f. And now if we have, so now we will write formula here. F prime of A equal to limit x approaches to A, f of x minus f of A divided by x minus A. So we put values here. First write limit. Don't forget to write limit because this is the important part. F of x is equal to 3x cubed minus x. So what is f of a? So this is 3a cubed minus a. This is the value of the function again at x equal to a. So now what we have to do, just multiply minus sign by the second bracket. 3x cubed minus x. So this is minus 3a cubed minus minus plus a x minus a. So just rewrite this expression 3x cubed minus 3a cubed, and this is minus x plus a. Divide by x minus a. So now we take common from these two values and we will take common minus 1 from this value. So this is x cubed minus a cubed, x cubed minus a cubed हो जाएगा ये, and this is x minus a divided by x minus a. Now here we apply formula a cube minus b cube, which is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So limit x approaches to a, 3a minus b, which is equal to x minus a, and we have a square, which is x square, plus ab, which is xa, and plus b square a square, and here we have x minus a divided by x minus a. So now taking common, x minus a from the numerator. So we have 3 times of x square plus ax plus a square minus 1 and divide by x minus a. So now if we cancel out this value and this value, so we'll have only numerator. Limit x approaches to a, 3 times of x square plus ax plus a square minus 1. So if we apply limit here, then we have 3 times of a square plus a square plus, write it clearly, a square plus a square plus a square and minus 1. So this value is equal to 3a square minus 1. So this is 9a square minus 1. So for all x, we have f prime of x is equal to 9x square minus 2. So this is the derivative of 3x cube minus x. So hope you understand. So we'll meet you in the next lesson. Thank you.